How to enable or disable camera on/off OSD indicator in Windows. The camera on/off indicator in Windows shows a quick on-screen alert whenever your camera is activated or deactivated. It's great for privacy and awareness, but in some setups, it can get in the way. If you're an IT admin and want to control this feature, we'll show you how to enable, disable, or manage it using 3 different methods through the Windows Registry. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for enabling or disabling the camera on/off OSD indicator. To manage this on-screen camera indicator, you'll need to change system settings that control how Windows shows camera activity. Since there's no built-in toggle in the interface, the only way to enable or disable it is through the Windows Registry. Before you start, you'll need Windows 10 version 20H2 or later, or Windows 11 version 22H2 or later. A device that supports the Camera OSD hardware event, such as a keyboard function key. Administrator rights on your system. Method 1. Enable or disable the Camera OSD indicator via Registry Editor. This method directly adjusts the Windows settings that manage the camera on/off on-screen display. Open the Registry Editor as an administrator. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Go to this path. If any key in the path doesn't exist, right-click the last existing key, select New, Key, and name it as needed. In the Capture folder, find the No Physical Camera LED value. If it's missing, right-click the Capture key, select New, DWORD 32-bit value, and name it No Physical Camera LED. Double-click it and set value data to 1 equals Enable the Camera OSD indicator, 0 equals Disable the indicator, default. Click OK, then sign out, back in, or restart your computer to apply the changes. Method 2. Enable or disable the Camera OSD indicator via Windows Registry, using PowerShell Scripts. This approach uses PowerShell to quickly change the No Physical Camera LED registry entry. Open PowerShell as an administrator. To do this, press Windows plus R, type PowerShell, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Copy and paste the command for what you want to do, then press Enter. To enable the Camera OSD indicator, to disable the Camera OSD indicator, restart your computer or sign out and back in to apply the changes. Method 3. Enable or disable the Camera OSD indicator via Windows Registry using a .reg file. This approach automates the registry change using a simple .reg file. Open Notepad and paste this text. To enable, to disable. Save the file with a .reg extension, for example, enable camera OSD.reg or disable camera OSD.reg. Locate and double-click the file to add it to the registry. Confirm the UAC prompt when it appears. Restart File Explorer or reboot your computer to apply the change. Administrators can adjust the camera on/off OSD indicator to reduce distractions and maintain a consistent visual experience across managed systems. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable camera on/off OSD indicator in Windows, linked in the description below.